Hello everyone. Okay, so I'm trying a voiceover because the AI voice doesn't really express the emotion I want to express. So I'm voicing over, and for today's list, I couldn't really do much because of the resin limit. I can't wait for 200 resin to replenish. I don't have the time, I'm busy. And so for today's list, we're going to focus only on her ascension, so I don't think today will be much eventful, but here is my C6 Nahida teleport. Watch this. So I think in this clip I had Nilou on the Harbinger of Dawn. I forgot to switch it out. I don't know if there would be a difference when I switch to the Irons thing, but just look at how many numbers are happening and how fast the HP is draining. For the rotation though, I'm not quite used to this, so I don't know who to go first. It's either Nilou goes first, then Nahida, then she marks the enemy, or is it Nahida first, then Nilou, then Xingqiu, then Yelan? I don't know, so I'll have to experiment with that. Okay, there's definitely some damage being done to my character, so I don't know. I should think of a healer. Yes, 3 dumps. Very nice. And a crit rate circlet, so that's surprising. I don't know why I included this clip in, but like, okay, I'll be gone and I'll be back when I'm done fighting, so. Yeah, so this is my C6 Nahida teleport. Boom. Okay. I think I should cut this part out. Yeah, I should. Okay, I'm back, and it seems I got 2 drops. That's unfortunate. Wow, look at that. Someone's in my world. I guess C6 Nahida, it gives you teleportation and a friend. This is why you should wail on the game. This is why you should spend money. I'm joking, please don't do that. I think because it's in co-op, the enemies are way harder, but this fight took way longer than it should have been. Okay, so here I've joined my friend's world and I'm helping them farm domains. This is like a showcase because we cleared this pretty quickly, and I'll show you right here. This video, not much was done other than just some boss runs and helping my friend out. So next video, we'll do 1 or 2 more runs on the boss, and then we'll start on her artifacts. Or if her talents, you know, it's Sunday tomorrow. I think both are available. Okay, bye!